I'm heading into Sport Fitness to check out an exercise routine that could build muscle, improve mobility, and your flexibility. So let's find out more about Flow Fitness. So I am with fitness coach Faydra Dopek, who's got a great workout to share with us today. Faydra, what is Flow Fitness?
So Flow Fitness is a concept of putting a few exercises together to increase your heart rate, endurance, and muscular strength. You work them in, you move up, you move down for a period of a few minutes up to an hour or whatever time you got.
So the idea is to string these exercises together and not stop in between.
Correct.
And why is that so good for us?
By eliminating all the breaks and keeping it at a shorter time interval, our heart is beating the whole time. It gets you sweating, your endorphins going, you're gonna work your muscles, so it'll increase your muscle mass, it'll help your bone density, and it can be fun. It literally can be done on a yoga mat, and that's all the space you need. So it really is good for just small spaces.
And talk about how long this Flow Fitness session needs to be to get really get all the benefits.
I'd say at least, depending on the exercises you choose, 15 minutes all the way up to an hour. I like to do a good 30 minutes, but if you're looking at your watch and you have a meeting or you're on the road somewhere and you're in your hotel room, you're like, I got 20 minutes to jam this out. It's great to take 3-4 exercises and just piece them together. It's working everything, which makes this just an all-over beneficial jam.
So what would you say to somebody to give Flow Fitness a try?
If you're under the time crunch, you have a lot of excuses and you're like, I can't do this and I can't do that. It's a great way to challenge your body and just move.
So today, you've got 3 exercises that you strung together for our own Flow Fitness.
Yes.
I'm ready to give it a try.
Yeah, let's do it. I like to keep it where I don't have to do a lot of shifting around. So one movement will definitely go into the next. So the first movement we're gonna do is called a walkout,
okay,
which, like I said, looks pretty simple. We're just gonna stand here and walk our hands out to a high plank. From here, we take a nice deep breath in. We're gonna exhale, we're gonna pull those hips back, and we're gonna start walking. Now, a couple of things here is we're walking back. Let's really try to press those heels down so we're not injuring that shoulder. The second exercise, so we're gonna get back down. I like to call it a super push-up, all the way down to the floor. Perfect. Okay. Now we're gonna do a super person. We're gonna take those arms and we're gonna go back into that position here, keeping those shoulder blades down, glutes tight, and we're gonna go right back into that high plank. So now we're here. Third exercise. We're gonna bring that foot forward and we're gonna go into this split squat that's nice and deep. So now we get the glutes.
All right, so let's put these 3 movements into flow. I'm following you. Great workout, great exercises. Thank you so much.
Absolutely, thank you.
Okay, all right, now it's your turn. What is your favorite total body workout? We want to see it. Tag us on Instagram @LivingHealthyTV. So you like that, and now you want more information about living a healthy life. Well, we've got you covered. Just check out the other videos on our channel.